Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you all controls and gestures for your headphones XIAOMI Buds 3T Pro. And before we starting, I want to show you that I customize gestures. I'm change double tap for the right earbud, triple tap for the right one, and press and hold for the left one. Now, the touches areas located right here, so I will tap and I will tell you what I'm doing. Now, if I press 2 times on my right earbud, I increase the volume. 1, 2, and I increase it. If I press 3 times on my right earbud, I will lower the volume. 1, 2, 3. Here we go, and again, 1, 2, 3. And the last time, 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Now, if I press 2 times on my left earbud, I will play next track. 1, 2. Here we go. And if I press 3 times on my left earbud, I will play previous track. 1, 2, 3. And as you can see, it works. Also, if I press and hold on my left earbud, I will call Assistant. I have iOS, so I call it Siri, but if you have Android, you will call Google Assistant. So I'm just press and hold on my left earbud, and as you can see, Siri is awake. And with the right one, if you press and hold right earbud, you will swap between noise cancelling and transparency. So now I press and hold on my right earbud, and I just enable noise cancellation. If I press and hold again, I will enable transparency mode. And if I press and hold the third time, I turn off these modes. And the last one, if someone calls to you, you can answer the call by pressing 1 time on your left or right earbud. So I'm just press 1 time, and as you can see, I answer the call. If I press again, I will finish the call. So I'm just press, and as you can see, it works. Also, if you press 2 times, you can reject the call. So now someone called to me, and I press 2 times, and as you can see, I just reject the call. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!